Hello YouTube, this is Lori Girl 2. I thought I'd show you what we were doing today, my husband and I. We have rented a wood chipper, and this is our wood pile that we have, our burn pile that we've been accumulating the past 10 years. As you can see, it's huge, and so we decided to rent a wood chipper and I'm sorry it's so loud, to chip up all this wood and use the wood chips in our garden, in our Back to Eden garden. So right now I'm showing you what we have in store for us, and then after I'm done I'll give you a quick clip of what we've accomplished. So, see you later.